swimming.
We're going to swim.
Yes, come with us.
Are you really living?
No, it's a vlog. Fit check. Fashion show. Next model. No, next model. Next model. And the next top 3. Bye bro. Bye bro. Bye bye po. Ang tatap. You. We're coming, guys. We're coming. Here we go.
Init tayo.
Just arrived, guys. Leaving the slope now.
Hi, guys. Say hi.
Hey, Daddy.
So, ATL.
Hey, Daddy. Daddy Mia. I wanna come down there.
Go, Poo. Go,
Are you
Poo.
sure this is gonna work?
Careful.
Yeah.
What are we going to do tomorrow, guys?
So guys, we are going to be whale sharking like at 5:30 a.m. and
Wow,
we
it's
have
so
like
early.
30 minutes. What?
Wow, you are early tomorrow.
Office is off.
See you in the morning.
Morning, guys. Welcome kayo, guys.
Ilabay dito ah.
Ikaw ka.
Ilabay.
Go outside.
Wow. Welcome to our Airbnb.
Sakit sa trabaho, Ben. Mapahawa.
We're at the whale shark now. Ay, wala kami sa whale shark. Wala namin sa lugar sa whale shark. We're gonna eat you right now.
our next
Destination?
is another beach. But we're gonna eat breakfast first. Because we haven't eaten breakfast yet.
Yeah.
Kada video guys.
Hey, it's so slay. I'm so slay. Ang kasi tawag ang na-capture sa katong kitang tulo kay
Ang puki na ko.
puki natin siya.
Yeah, this is the life of a vlogger guys. So laylay.
Yeah. So, ang among masugi sa whale shark is kuan kay siya. It's
Very nice.
cool.
Yes. Sad.
Why sad?
Sad for the whale shark.
Yes. They deserve better. Let's protect the earth and the whale. Kami sa kuan guys, monkey watching na sa TV. Pero guys, go watch na ko. Go watch na ko sa Maybe this is the house of the Marco guys.
Uy, kadalo ni mo, uy, katuusa. Bibi, kati.
Laura, it's okay.
Ate, stand here. Okay, picturean ta ka.
Kuyawan ako ikay kung naiunggoy. Okay. Take turns ta. Isa na.
Murag ikaw Very you. Pakaon na siya siyang humboy guys. Video man. Guys, maligo na mo dagat karon.
Second beach.
Asa dapat
Gani ako, gani.
kami maulaw na mi, mga kulang naman mi.
Ako po.
Let's go over here. You can see they have this kind of bamboo tree.
Ha, coconut tree.
I mean coconut tree. It's such a joke. Look at this dried coconut tree. It's so aesthetic. It's so like wow. And here we have a mini barangay here. Look at the sea. Look at the beach. It's so clear. You can see the rocks.
Hala, oh my god, like mag-picture ka dira pa tapos diri ang view like oh my god.
Imunta siya na. Uyog sabay.
1, 2, 3.
Gnarly.
Gang.
Saan ang gang gang?
Ana.
Gang. Gang.
Gang. Ikan pag gawas ka.
Gang. Paano siya ba?
Baby like
Gang.
gang, 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 gang.
Okay na na. Yes. Nadari ang angle. Fernanda.
E a partir desse momento, daqui o muro.
We are at Quartel. Thank you, Quartel.
Strike a pose. Strike a pose. Quartel. Yes, this is the quartel, guys. This is the inside. Wow. Buganso. This is giving nothing. This doesn't eat. Only this side. Look at that mountain view. This is the attraction, but we are looking at the mountain.
Oh my God.
And look at this church. This is, yes, this church eats. Look at that. Wow.
Kasal dito ni Asyan. Dahil Asyan. O, napakagato. Naamang ko. Wala nga. Sila niya si Aida. Wala si Aida na.
Praise giving.
Enjoy ng buang.
Very good kayo, ah. Bakit ba yung mga anin?
Up! Lagi kabit-kabit lang.
Di na siya mauwan.
Up!
That's it, guys.
Just be. Quartel. Quartel sa Oslo.
After naman picture, ang taon.
Plus, habang nag-aani ko dito sa Muslim Church. Like,
Liloan, guys. So we're gonna take the barge to go to Dumaguete. Not the
Fast craft.
yeah, not the fast craft anymore. So we're gonna update you later if we have arrived in Dumaguete. Look at that. It was so hot in the car and I was wearing a jacket. But it's so fresh now. Look at our view here waiting for the boat. I'm gonna wait for the boat. Bye. We're about to go in the barge, guys. We're just waiting for our tickets to get scanned. Yeah.
We buy some banana chips. Love you. Sini kami malaking barko. Yun, papasok na kami. So, welcome to abroad. Aboard. Welcome to aboard, guys.
Welcome aboard, Rahoy. Dili, welcome to aboard.
Welcome aboard, guys.
We are now in the barge, guys. We are now in the barge, guys. So, we're just waiting for the ship to move. We are wet from the rain.
Yeah, but we are still alive.
The rain is so strong. Look at that.
Don't mind my kwan, guys. So, muna na siya last.
Guys, we have arrived in Dumaguete, guys.
We're back home. Yeah. Wala din mo may kaligong beach, guys. So, muna to siya end sa video. I hope
This is the end of one day
in Oslo.
Yeah.
I hope na nag-enjoy mo paglantaw sa mga video. Kay last na ni na video.
See you in next year.
Yeah.